We are going to try find this oven cleaner. Where's your powder? Found it. Let's go. I'm out of here. Now we're gonna try get something for school. Okay, I found it. What should we get? I could buy a muffin, but I'm not buying plain bread. I'll tell you that. I could buy chocolate, but I don't want to get in trouble. Let's go for that. They don't actually have much of it. Found it. I found it. We got the goods now. We gotta go to the checkout. How do you do this? Bakery super. People waiting for me. Oh my god. Okay, let me swipe my card on one. Boom. Take my 69 G's and drive. Get the stupid key for this bike. I managed to get everything by getting all the oven cleaners and stuff. Now we gotta go home. What a very interesting vlog to begin with. Even the stupid road has a dumb hill and stuff. It's like, I can't believe it. We only got 1 bar remaining. So, when we got down the hill here, managed to generate tons of charge from the battery. So, no more range anxiety, but probably right now, yes. Almost made it up the hill. It's actually my, first time walking up this hill in 3 years, so it's a pain when you have an InMotion S1F. Oh my gosh, I love commuting on a scoot. How much battery this got, but when it's flashing, you're basically screwed. All day as well. I don't want to get stranded on a day like this. Oh, we're back. I basically got everything on the scooter right now, and we are on 1 bar. I'm just going to send it, and hopefully we make it back. Oh, the range anxiety kicks in. There's a reason why I'm filming this in portrait. Now I am very angry about this scooter. Now it is not turning on because it has literally no juice left. I'm gonna try and get it back on while we're here. I'm gonna try to run. It is turning on a little bit. Hopefully when I go at a decent speed, we can get charged. The voltage very low. I need to actually charge it and get back, otherwise it's gonna degrade. I'm just gonna make a run for it. Please turn on. The scooter's officially charging now. I'm gonna charge it for about a couple hours, not like the full battery, but after that recording, it just kept up with the motor. It couldn't handle the battery. The battery was just dead. It wasn't going anywhere. Actually, it wasn't going anywhere. And the next thing you know, on my street, it started getting some charge to 3%. It managed to remove the 04 error saying that the battery is depleted. However, the error code 01 was still on there, and I thought I screwed up the controller. And the controllers on them are really, really expensive. And now I managed to fix the issue, and yeah, so hopefully nothing else goes wrong. I'm pretty sure it's just it didn't have enough voltage to controller or the battery. It only kept up the voltage that was only going was through the motor. Now I had to push it all the way, and if it came to a full out stop, it would just go to 0 volts and not go anywhere. So it was a pretty scary that I thought I screwed up the controller, but I didn't. Everything's fine now. It is now officially charging, and everything's fine now. So I managed to get all the stuff. My mom's using the oven cleaner now. I'm gonna put the thing in my lunch, and then we should be sweet tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching this very interesting video. I'm gonna edit this later. Ah, my legs are tired. I love electric scooters. See ya.